My husband will make pancake. He's gonna put 2 cups of pancake mix. He put a blueberry,
2 handfuls.
2 handful,
A cup and 1.
and he put a cup and 1/3 of water. And stir it.
Third of water. Stir it.
Start the pan. And he uses this Spam Original to spray here. It's getting hot, so he will start.
Just a 1/4 cup of mix. About just a minute and a half less on each side.
What did you say?
Less than a minute and a half on each side.
Okay. A small pancake. Oh, I like this one. It's a little bigger.
Flip those blueberry pancakes.
It's color golden brown. And here's the first batch of pancake. There's another 2 more there. This is the fluffy pancake he make from crusted buttermilk blueberry pancake. Making my grapefruit juice. I'm taking the skin out of it, and because the skin is not good if you juice it, it tastes weird. Excuse me. So, grapefruit has health benefits, lots of benefits. And grapefruit is low in calories yet high in nutrients. It may benefit your immune systems, may promote appetite control, and so it can aid weight loss. Grapefruit may help prevent insulin resistance and diabetes. Eating grapefruit may improve heart health, or drinking grapefruit as well. It's high in powerful antioxidants and may reduce the risk of kidney stones. So, guys, I'll start this. That's it. It's only for this morning. And this is my grapefruit. I make juice out of my Breville Juice Fountain Elite, and that's a good one. So grapefruit, it may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, weight loss control. Some people claim that grapefruit is a miracle weight loss fruit. It's good for blood pressure too, and heart health, for stroke, cancer, for digestion, and it's good for your skin and immune function. So guys, drink grape juice. Eating my breakfast with blueberry pancake and my grape juice. It's good to have butter. Butter. Syrup. Did you eat already, Annie?
Yeah.
Okay. He's just drinking grapefruit. I'm eating my pancake. Good, he made this. It's good. Nutritious. Has blueberry inside. See? Blueberry pancake. It's a little tangy. So before, I pronounce it tangy. And my husband said it's not tangy, it's tangy. So guys, that's for today. I just finished my breakfast, as you can see. And my husband all done for his breakfast too. And please hit the bell button, like and subscribe to my channel. And see you on my next video. You all have a nice day. Bye. So guys, that's it for today. And please hit the bell button, like and subscribe to my channel. And look, it's empty. It's not much. My husband is done too. Bye guys. See you in my next video.